How to schedule Walmart pickup. Welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can schedule Walmart pickup. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Walmart application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Now from this interface, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom. You have to tap on services icon. Once you land on services piece, here you have to scroll down, and under more services there is pickup and delivery. Tap on pickup and delivery option. Scroll down, there is a section that says 3 ways to get your order. For that, there is a pickup option that says reserve a time. So to schedule a pickup, tap on reserve a time option. Now what you have to do is start browsing for the groceries or other items and add everything that you need in your cart just like you normally would do. Tap on add to cart. Once you have added your items to cart, you could double check your items, then head over to your cart at the top right. So here you could select and confirm and place your order. Tap on continue to check out. Tap on yes. Then you have to enter your details. Once you add your details, tap on save, then hit place order. Then you will get a confirmation email or text shortly. Once your order is ready, you will be notified. Then you have to open up your application, go to your orders, then tap check in where you are on the way. When you arrive, follow signs to pickup area, park in the spot they assign, and check in using the application. Now, a Walmart associate will come out and lead your order in your car, and that's it, you're good to go. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.